Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to deposit on Betway. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in betway.com. Once you type it in, you'll get to this website. Now, on this page, you'll have to log into your account, so click on this login button, and if you don't have an account, you can sign up for one by clicking on this button. Once you click on the login button, you'll get this pop-up. On this pop-up, you'll have to enter your login credentials, for example, your username and your password. And in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to recover it. Once you have entered your details, click on this login button. Then, you'll be logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you can click on your profile at the top right corner. Then this menu will open up. On this menu, at first you can see deposit. Click on this icon. Then you'll get various options like Skrill One Tap, Payz, Cards, and Nettler. You can choose any method. I'll just click on Cards. Once you click on one of those options, you'll have to either select the amount or enter your own amount. Once you have selected the amount or entered the amount, click on this next button. Then you'll have to enter your card details. Once you enter your card details, click on this deposit button and the amount will be deposited into your account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.